Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming both your Sony TV and your phone or tablet share the same Wi-Fi. This is essential for discovery. Once confirmed, open the TV settings, go to Network and enable screen mirroring or ensure Chromecast built-in is active. On your mobile device, open the Cast or Screen Mirroring Control, Android. Quick Settings Cast, iPhone, Control Center AirPlay. Begin scanning now so the TV can appear in the device list. Do not close settings while pairing. Once the TV appears on your device list, tap the Sony TV name to start the handshake and watch the TV for an authorization prompt. If the TV shows a PIN or asks to allow the connection, accept it using the remote to complete pairing. After connection, make sure the TV input and display resolution match the phone's output. Go to TV picture settings to tweak resolution or aspect ratio if the image is cropped or scaled. Keep both devices awake to avoid disconnects. To finish, stop casting from your phone or use the TV remote to switch input back. This cleanly ends the session. If you notice lag or audio delay, reduce the stream quality on the source app, move devices closer to the router, or use 5 GHz Wi-Fi for less interference. If the connection repeatedly fails, power cycle the TV and router, ensure the Sony firmware is current, and then retry. This restart often clears network or discovery issues and restores reliable mirroring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.